Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter writing. Write a letter to your friend about your plans for spending the recess after your Madhyamik examination. Own address, Dear Sudha, I have received your sweet letter just now. You want to know how I will spend the long period of time after the coming Madhyamik examination. I have already decided to spend the time very fruitfully. You must have heard that the higher secondary syllabus for science is very hard. I therefore intend to study some portion of the science subjects in advance. It will surely help me understand them better in my future course of study. Besides this, I shall read Rabindranath, who is my favorite writer. I will also take physical exercise regularly to regain my lost health. This is how I intend to utilize the valuable time. Let me know in your next letter how you want to spend the time. With love and good wishes, yours ever own name, friend's address. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.